Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. I'm in Worthville, which is in Randolph County, North Carolina. It's upriver from Asheboro and so on. But there was a textile mill here, just like there was down there in Ramseur and Cedar Falls, and this is the first time I've been here, North Carolina Wildlife Resource Commission, and I hear the sirens. Some people who are enjoying what's called Worthville Beach had been streaming out. I was about to go. There's some kayakers. How far down the trail can you go with that?
Down that way?
Yeah.
It loops back around to the parking lot. It just goes through the woods and loops back around.
Got it. That is the Worthville Dam. And you can see the bridge piers. I have a feeling somebody had a little trouble with the smoke. We can see some smoke in the sky, and the heat, which is above 90. This is called Worthville Beach. 10 years ago, it was all rocky. All of this. This was deposited after the hurricane and tropical storm that came through. I'm not sure how many years back it was, about 4. And somehow, a lot of sand came down from Lake Randleman, which is just north of here. Thank you to the folks who come out to help us when we get into trouble. Thank you. And I'm assuming this is called Worthville because it's an association with a certain investor and industrialist named Jonathan Worth, who eventually became governor at the end of the Civil War. So they're taking care of somebody. So this wasn't Worthville Beach before. This was just rocks out there. This got deposited by tropical storms, surging something upriver. We'll leave them to do their business. Steve, AB4L, just out snooping around. Oh, hang on here. Let's take a look at a flower before we go. I'm going to show you a flower that's in flower everywhere, including along the front of my yard. Now, don't be fooled by this. You see the foliage? Now, what we're looking for, there should be a black spot there on one of these, but apparently it hasn't matured enough No, this is wild carrot. This is wild carrot. Steve A. before you, just out and around, having fun, saying see you in 73. Well, it's a few steps later. This is an addendum. Another siren. Siren just cut off. They'll be coming in. Oh, it's an EMS. I saw it up there. There it is. Let me get out of its way. Okay. Steve A. before you. Oh, wait a minute. Let's just wait a moment. We're going to see if they take the stretcher out.
I don't think I'll make it down there and get my kayak.
Oh.
I was going to, but...
Higher priority going on. Fella down that way, conscious, but maybe overcome by the smoke and temperature. He was sitting there. And your partner down there was pointing them that way. I assume that's her with you. I saw you two out there.
Okay, it's a nice day to be out there.
Well, if you want to hand carry it, you can squeeze between. All right, folks, I'm on my way. Steve A. before you. Once again, thank you to the folks. Okay, that was one of the early people. There's another one of the first ones to go down. So the others are taking over. Steve A. before you, saying see you in 73.